Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a water pump on a 2002 Ford Taurus. Start by disconnecting the battery and draining the cooling system, then remove the drive belt and any obstructing accessories to reach the pump housing. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly and inspect the pulley and timing cover for damage. Prepare the new pump with gasket sealant if required, and set your torque wrench to the manufacturer specification. For this job, organize all tools on a rolling tray to keep bolts and parts sorted. Use quality replacement parts that match OEM fitment to avoid leaks or premature failure. A torque wrench ensures bolts are tightened to specification without warping the pump housing. Keep rags and a small brush handy to clean old gasket material, and label hoses if needed to simplify reassembly and prevent mistakes during installation. Begin by loosening belt tensioner and removing the serpentine belt to free the pump pulley. Unbolt the pump and gently remove it, catching residual coolant in your drain pan. Clean the mating surface completely and position the new gasket before seating the new pump, then torque bolts in a crisscross pattern. Reinstall the belt, refill the cooling system, bleed air pockets, and run the engine to check for proper circulation and absence of leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.